Hello friends, hi, this is your girl Josy. How's everybody's doing? I hope you are doing very well. Today is the kick-off of the 100 MV savings challenge for low income. We're going to do another way of the 100 MV savings challenge, which I'm sure you guys so love it. The previous one that we did, that we're adding the numbers, it blew my mind. A lot of people ask questions and super excited to bring this one. So keep watching. This is your girl Josy one more time. I've seen a lot of people coming in, joining, being part of the friends, and I like the way you guys are telling me that you like my new settings with not a lot of stuff. That's great. I was trying it out, and I just wanted to make sure if everybody aligned with the move. So glad that you guys are telling me that you like it this way. Today we are kicking off the 100 envelope savings challenge, and we're going to do it in a different way, which is for low income. Even if you don't have any money, I urge you to pick up your 100 envelope savings challenge and try. If you don't have one, don't worry. You want to get one, I have it in my shop, and when you buy it, it comes with a free tracker, a pen, and also a laminated one as well. So in case you want to grab it, I've listed it on this video. You can go ahead and check it out. I'm doing a spring sale, so they are 25% off. Just wanted to put it out there, but in case you don't want to buy it, you're like, no, I don't want to buy it, I just want to give it a try, you can just get an envelope from dollar store, 100 of them. It come in a pack already, ready to go. You number it 1-200, and you can also join in this challenge. It will cost you, trust me, $1. Even if you go to Walmart and everywhere, they are less than $2. And unless you want the colorful envelopes, maybe you can get it around $4 at all the stationery stores. Very cheap. So from last time, what we did the additional one, and that one we save about 800 plus. For those of you who joined, those who are trying now, go ahead and do that, and you're gonna save the money, and you'll be like, oh my god, this was so cool. So we did that, so this is done. So today I'm bringing a new one, a new tracker, which will be this one empty, because we're going to start a new challenge. Let me put that on the side. I have this that I didn't clean from last time. I'll go ahead and use my alcohol swab to clean it. Anybody who buy the 100 every challenge, unless I forgot to add it to your package, you get some alcohol swab from me, and it's so easy to clean. Look at that, so easy to clean. So I'm telling you, if I tell you it's easy, it is easy. So easy. Then I'll use maybe a lot of it just to make it nice. So easy to clean. So if you finish, you can clean it and reuse it again. So we're gonna start a new one. So we are cleaning it up. And for those of you who are asking, when did you finish the challenge, I have a whole playlist for it, so you can go follow and look at how we did it. But we're going to do a different one, which this one too I'll have a whole playlist for after we are done. Okay, so we did clean it up with the alcohol swipes. So that one is done. And let's go ahead and count the money, and we'll start. Today we're going to do the numbers from 1 to 10, and I'm going to explain how I'm doing it. So let's count the money. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So we have $44 here. They are all ones, so it goes in the first three. And this is how we're gonna do it today. So today, like I said, we are doing numbers from 1 to 10. And this time around, we are not doing addition, we are gonna do multiplication. So we will do 1 to 10. When you get to the double numbers, you're gonna multiply them instead of adding them, or instead of putting the amount in them, which I will show you step by step. So we have $1, a 1, so I'm gonna put in $1. I hope everybody's doing very well, and I hope people will like this one as well. I can't wait to see how much we're gonna save. We have 2, so I'll just put in $2. And the video about this, the low income challenge, will go out every Mondays and Wednesdays. We have 3, so I'll put in $3. The fun part started when we started the double numbers. That's when the fun part start. So 4, so I'm gonna put in $4. Okay. 5, I'm gonna put in $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, we're gonna put in $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is making the 100 MB savings challenge fun. Trust me. So if you haven't started yet, haven't joined yet, go ahead and do so. 7, so we're gonna put in $7. 6, 7, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then we have 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's $9. Okay, so $9. Then when we get to the double number, like this one, we have 1 plus 1 and 0. So that's 10. So 1 times 0 is 0. So I'm not going to put anything here. So this is how I'm going to do the double numbers. I'm going to multiply them and put in the values. So like next, on Wednesday when I'm doing it, I'm going to do 1 times 1, which will be 1. Then I'll put $1 here. Hopefully we will save quite a lot of money. Like addition, I'm not sure, But in case the highest number that I'm going to foresee is going to be 9 times 9, which will be 81. So that will be the highest number. I'm just saying it ahead of time. So that will be the highest number, 9 times 9, which is 81. So everything is going to be lower than that. So next week when I start, I'm going to do 1 times 1, which is 1. 1 times 2, which is 2. So that's how the double numbers is when the fun part start. So today I'm not putting nothing. So when I go to my tracker, for this one, I'm gonna shade it. But these ones, I won't shade them because they are nothing, 0. Then I'm done with that one. Then now, I will take my empty tracker. That's when the fun part begins. So let me show you guys something that I really want to do. So we're going to do, so we did put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this part is the 10th one. Is 1 times 0 is 0. There will be nothing there. So to make it easy for me to make sure I save the right amount, like last time when I was counting it, we were on live and I make sure I did count it very well. But to double check myself at the end of the challenge, I want to add, let me grab the calculator. Okay, so I'm going to add these numbers. So I'm going to add this amount and I'll put a total here. So what I'm going to do is so it's going to be 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 5, 9. So in the first part we save 45. So that's the amount we have in so far. So at the end of the challenge, when I'm counting, I'm going to tally all these numbers here and to compare with the amount that I have in the envelope to see if I have the right amount. So I hope everybody is following, and it also make it easy for people, like if you want to, instead of saving it one by one and you don't have the challenge, you can save the end amount, which is 45. And you can put it in the envelope, and at the end of the challenge we will have the same amount. So that's how I'm doing it. So on Wednesday we're going to do 11 to 20, but remember all the 10th numbers, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, all of them are going to be 0 because we are doing multiplication. But the rest, the double numbers, we're going to multiply them. So another example is we take 65. 6 times 5 is going to be 30. So instead of 65, we're going to put 30. And like I said, the highest number is going to be 9 times 9, which is 81. So that's how we're going to do it. And I can't wait. I can't wait to get this done. Super excited to start with you guys another great challenge for low income, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. I hope you guys will share the video for other people to know that we're doing this over here. Like I said, if you have any 100 envelope savings challenge sitting somewhere, you can follow along. In case you want to get one right now, it's on my shop. I'm doing 25% off, so you can grab it as well. It comes with the laminated one. It comes with an empty tracker that you can track in case you are not following this, but you are doing it in a different way, like me doing it in a different way this time as well. So let me put it here. It also comes with a pen. It comes with alcohol wipes in case you finish the challenge. You can easily clean it up. So today, this is what we did. Isn't it beautiful? I'm admiring it. So that's how we're gonna do it. And I really appreciate everybody for joining me. For anybody watching the video, if you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, please go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my videos. There's a lot coming on this channel. Super grateful. So I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.